So in this video, guys, I want to go ahead and show you 5 things you should actually do from today to actually enhance your growth here on the street of YouTube. All right, so if you have been experiencing slow progress, maybe finding it difficult to attain your monetization requirement, these 5 things I'm going to pinpoint in this video is going to actually help you, okay, to enhance your growth here on the street of YouTube. Okay, so if this is what interests you, I want you to stick with me till the end of the video. So if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back around. I love you and thanks for always supporting the channel. Okay, so go ahead and smash the like button and share this video to as many that you know this video is going to be helpful to. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Okay, and if you're meeting me for the first time on the street, my name is Frank. I make videos around social media monetization and growth. So if it's something you like, I want you to go ahead and smash the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we get to drop amazing content just like this one you're watching right here on this channel, you're going to be the first to be notified by YouTube and obviously be the first to take advantage of the video. Alright, so that being said, let's dive right into what we have today. So if you have been experiencing slow progress on the streets of YouTube, one of the things you want to start doing from today is to tag big creators in your video. All right, so whenever you make a video, you're going to look for a similar creator who does the same type of video that you are doing. A big creator, okay, that has a reasonable number of audience than you do, and you want to make sure you tag these creators to your videos. Okay, so when you go ahead to tag these creators to your videos, what happens is these creators get to see your videos because they're actually going to be notified by YouTube that they have actually been tagged by you. So they want to go ahead and watch their videos, your videos, I mean the videos you just uploaded. So if the content you just uploaded and tagged them in actually interests them, what they want to do is they are going to go ahead and repost that video on their page, on their channel. Okay, so once they repost that video on your channel, automatically that's going to attract their audience, okay, to come over to your channel and engage on your channel. So when it has to do with viewing your videos and also subscribing to your channel. Okay, but you want to be careful when you are doing this. You don't want to keep on tagging one creator in all of your videos because that can actually spam me, okay, and annoying. Okay, so what you want to do is you actually want to tag different creators in all of your videos. Okay, you don't want to go ahead to tag one creator in your videos. You want to go ahead and tag different creators for different videos. Okay, so in that way these creators are actually going to see the videos you are making and they may likely want to pick up your video, post it on their channel, and once they do that, you actually attract their audience to your own channel, and these people will actually come into your channel and also watch your videos, and if they like what you're doing, a good number of them will also go ahead and subscribe to your channel. Alright, so that's the first thing you want to do. So the second thing you also want to put in check is to make sure you reply your comments. Okay, you have to reply to your comments. So after uploading videos and then people come over to your video and actually drop comments, okay, what you want to do, you don't want to snub them, you don't want to you want to pay attention to those comments. You want to go ahead and reply those comments. Obviously you may not be able to reply to all the comments, all right, obviously, but you want to go ahead and respond to a reasonable number of the comments. Okay, so once you have comments on your videos, go ahead and respond to those comments, react to those comments. After reacting to the comments, you react to those comments, respond to the comments. Okay, by that you keep this engagement with your audience, and your audience will feel this sense of belonging, okay, that they're actually interacting with a real-time person. Okay, and this also, this gives them this actually encourages them to come over to your video another day. Okay, so if you have not been replying to your comments, that's what you're actually missing out. You want to start responding to comments on your video. Like I said, you may not be able to attend to all if it is quite enormous, but you must try to respond to at least a reasonable number of the comments that has been dropped on your video. Okay, so the third thing on my list which you want to start doing in order to start having fast motion on this space is you want to do collaboration. Okay, you want to go into collaboration. So collaboration is actually joining force with another YouTuber to make a video, all right, on this platform. So it could be a video you collaborated with another creator to produce, to make. It could be a live stream. Okay, you both can actually go live together. Okay, so one of the advantages of collaborating is you both, like both you and the person the creator you're actually collaborating with, okay, are actually going to share your audiences. Okay, so if you are collaborating with me, for instance, what happens is my audience will tend to know you tend to get visibility to my audience. So what happens is there is every tendency for my audience to like if the video is being posted on my channel, there's every tendency for my audience to start following you. And if the video you collaborated to actually make is posted on your channel, there's every tendency also that your audience will start following me. So what happens is you both tend to share audience. So by the number of eyes on your channel is actually on the increase, because these people are going to come over to your channel, they like what you are doing, and they want to go ahead and engage on your videos and also subscribe to your channel. Okay, so collaboration is actually a strong tool if you want to actually move faster on this space. So it is important to make sure you collaborate with a creator. If you're a small creator, it is recommended that you collaborate with a creator that has an audience more than you do. Okay, it may not be a big creator, so to say, with maybe multiple thousands of followers. Okay, so it could be a creator that just has a little bit of an audience than you do. Okay, it's okay to start that way and you both grow together. Okay, so collaboration is actually a very strong tool to use if you want to grow fast on the street of YouTube. The first thing on my list which you want to actually do to actually run fast on this street of YouTube is to post regularly and consistently. Okay, so posting regularly and consistently, please don't get it wrong, it's not all about posting every day, but it's all about having a schedule for posting. All right, I actually made a video telling you how to schedule your uploads on YouTube. I'm going to link that video somewhere on the screen right now, or it's going to actually be it's actually going to be the first link in the description section. Okay, you want to go ahead and check out that video. Okay, so you have to have a consistent schedule. So it's not like posting today, posting tomorrow, posting the next day, skip the fourth day, skip the fifth day, and then go ahead to post the 6th day, skip the 7th day. It's kind of, the consistency is not there, so automatically the algorithm doesn't really understand what you are doing and may not be able to recommend or suggest your video. So you have to have a consistency plan. Okay, so I actually made all this clear in that video. You want to check around on the screen, or the first link in the description section is actually where I'm going to link that video. You want to go and watch that video. Okay, so when you post regularly and consistently, the algorithm is going to actually pick your videos, because that's what the algorithm loves, and then it's going to start recommending and suggesting your video to people. So by so doing, you tend to get more views on your video, you tend to get more eyes on your video, and at the same time have increased subscribers and watch time. Right, so guys, that being said, the last on my list right now is to actually go live. Okay, so going live actually is also a very good way to actually run faster on the street of YouTube, especially if you are not actually monetized. So going live is actually going to enhance your getting your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are like the minimum requirements for monetization on the street. Okay, so start going live, go live. Okay, still on that same video of video scheduling, I actually did mention a lot of things about going live. So you really want to go and watch that video so that you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so you can also make use of the Restream app to go live, which is actually going to help you in a way, repeat your videos and enable you stay longer on the live, so that you can add up to your watch hours, okay, and subscribers. I have made a video on how to use the Restream the right way to actually go live on your channel, and I'm going to go ahead and link that video at the end of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that video to actually Restream your videos to increase your watch hours and your subscribers. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification, so that whenever we get to upload amazing content just like this one, you're going to be the first to be notified by YouTube, and obviously be the first to take advantage of the video. So okay, right here on the screen, so I'm going to link the video on how to restream your videos, how to go live by restreaming your videos right here, and I'm going to link the video on how to schedule your post direct here. So you want to go ahead and click on those videos now to watch. Let's go.